So today's video, I'm just going to do a really quick skincare thing. I got this Pixi Trio kit. It's like a fast flash facial kit. I got it at Target for 24 bucks. I just wanted to try the glow, well, mainly the glow tonic, but it came with two other things. So first is a Pixi Peel and Polish Resurfacing Concentrate. Resurfacing and concentrate. It's this little thing right here. So it exfoliates your skin. I have it on right now. It says exfoliate for 30 seconds if you want like a really deep exfoliation. Leave on for 2 minutes. So I have it on. Then you rinse it off. So I've had it on for 2 minutes already. I just have a damp cloth. And I'm going to like rinse it off. Just clean it off a little bit. I'm not a big fan of the way it smells. And then you pat dry. So that's that. And now step 2 is the glow tonic. Exfoliating toner with 5% glycol. It's a glow tonic. It's a toner, exfoliating toner, and this is the little guy that it came with. So cute. I wanted to try this thing out, so. It says use AM and PM or as needed. It has like a little squeezy thing. I have my cotton swabs. I'm going to use a cotton swab. So just go like this. I don't know how much I need. Alright, that's enough because I can feel it. And then, so it says, it doesn't say, just for all skin types, clinical proven results, alcohol free. Saturate cotton pad with the tonic and sweep across face, neck, and so it's need to saturate the cotton pad. And it says you can rub. So saturate tonic. Okay, and then with tonic sweep across face. Now next is the Rose Flash Balm. It is a Rose Flash. It is a moisturizer primer mask. It is hydrating radiance boosting balm, wakes up lackluster fatigued skin in a flash for all skin types. This also says use AM or PM or as needed. To use as a treatment primer, apply a thin layer to face and neck after cleansing. Do not rub. Follow with foundation if desired. To use as mask, apply a thick layer and leave on for 5 minutes 2 or 3 times a week. So you can also use this under your makeup as a primer. Whoa. Let's add a thick layer to use as a mask. I'm going to leave on for 5 minutes. So it says to rinse off, and we're going to rinse off. I also picked up this Pixi Hydrating Milky Serum. This one, it was $24 at Target. Deeply nourishes dehydrated skin, restoring natural radiance and elasticity for all skin types. Use AM and PM daily. Massage 2 or 3 drops onto cleansed, toned skin before moisturizer. Oops. I'll just do the opposite today. I rinsed off the moisturizer anyways. So it's what it looks like. Milky. Oh. My skin feels really hydrated. So these products are a thumbs up. I mean, they're a little more pricey than the regular drugstore, but for skincare, this is actually really affordable. So this kit was $24 and this serum was $24. Got them at Target. I'm very impressed. My skin feels nice and smooth and hydrated, clean. Feels nice. I love it. This is really nice. I love this. I wish I had. I'm gonna go get a bigger bottle. Definitely need to stock up on this if I'm gonna use it daily, twice a day. So that's complete this video. Hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Let me know. Give me some video ideas down below. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.